Now in this question, a vessel contains a certain amount of solution of acid and water. When 2 liters of water was added to it, the new solution had 50% acid concentration. When 15 liters of acid was further added to the solution, the final solution had 80% acid concentration. The ratio of water and acid in the original solution was is my question. So ratio of water to acid is the question. Now let me take the initial mixture as original solution. Okay, now this original solution has some amount of acid and some amount of water. Now to this I am going to add 2 liters of water. Then this mixture, in this mixture I am going to take this mixture as what, x liter. The acid concentration is 50%. So in x liter I am going to talk about acid 50%, and I am going to add to this, I am going to add 15 liters of acid, pure acid. And in pure acid the strength of acid is going to be, the concentration of acid is going to be 100%, and in the resultant mixture the acid concentration is 80%. So using the concept of deficit and surplus, so deficit should always be equal to surplus. That means 80 minus 50 into x should be equal to 100 minus 80 into a 15. So this will be a 30x equal to a 20 into 15. So which is going to be what, cancelling out, I get 2x equal to 10. Sorry, 2x equal to 20, x will be equal to 10. So after adding 2 liters, I get total of 10 liters. Okay. Now in this 10 liter, we have 50% acid concentration. That means acid to water ratio is 1:1. That means acid will be 5 liter and water is also 5 liter. This 10 liter is obtained by after adding 2 liters of water. So before adding 2 liters of water, water would have been 3 liters, right? So acid to water initially in the original solution is 5 liter is to 3 liter. But what is question? Ratio of water to acid is question. So be careful in marking the answer, because 5:3 is also given in the options and 3:5 is also given in the options. So we are required to calculate the ratio between water to acid. So 3:5, option C is the answer for this question.